Hi guys, I just wanted to share with you my 10K. Thank you so much, Ed. Thank you, Ed, to you and the team. It means so much to me, your letter and your acknowledgement of being successful with my webinar. And of course, I actually did more than 10K. I did just over 32,000 for my first webinar. So I think I should have a couple more of these, Ed, shouldn't I? Just joking. But thank you. A word of encouragement. I failed forward. I've had so many things that I've done in marketing that have not been successful at all. And I did everything that Ed said, even though I felt uncomfortable and it felt awkward and it wasn't me, because it was Ed's style of doing things. But I did what he said, and it paid off, and I'm still a humble student and very, very grateful for all the information. So I encourage you, if you're having a wobbly moment, just keep going back to the lessons and listening to what Ed says, because he certainly knows what he's talking about. Thank you for your weekly coaching, Ed. It means so much to me and everybody else. And thank you for changing so many things in my life. I really am very, very grateful. So guys, fail forward and be strong and be good students, and it's amazing the results you will get. Bye.